Alright guys, so I'm gonna continue with another project that I have. This is basically added an iPad to my 4Runner. A lot of people had those mounts, the RAM mounts and things like that you can actually add it to it. I don't have anything like that, any mount in here, and also it will cover my view, so I'm trying not to put anything in there. This is my cell phone holder for 4Runners, kind of clip in there. It's nice. So what I'm trying to do is that ProClip basically is gonna go right here. It attached to the side and to that bucket pretty much. So it goes right here all the way up here, attach it, and so the iPad is going to be right there, so it's not going to be on the way of anything that I have. But also, if I wanted, I can tilt it this way and show it for the passenger. Alright, so that's my project. For that, what I did is I ended up having the ProClip. I'll put a description and link to it. This ProClip is exactly for that, so you can actually attach it to it. I have an iPad mount with the RAM style locked, which is the bolts. You can unlock it and do things with it. So, and the reason why I got this one is because if I want to add something different, the only thing I do is loosen them up, remove the top part for the iPad, and connect them something else, right? So those are the RAM mount kind of style. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to attach that to it. It's going to go put some screws to it, to that kind of deal, like that, so I can hold my iPad in there, and then I still in the car. So I'm going to show you guys how it's going to look, right? So basically I'm going to show you some of the steps, but I did kind of secure them in there and then attach to the car and put them in the iPad, right? Alright, so I found a few screws that I can actually use. I have another ones in here, but also to give an extra support, I put that double-sided tape on there. I use that a lot, and a lot of things that attach to it, because it's just an extra layer of adhesive. So I'm gonna put it right there and run those screws. So you can actually see this for Toyota 4Runner 2010 to 20 and up. That's the item number. That's how you can actually find it. So you guys can see I already put those screws in there. It's pretty tight, pretty secure. It actually looks nice. So we're gonna put it inside of the 4Runner. They also have to be peeled, those things. It has some glue in it, that way it can actually stick. And that bowl is gonna mount to that. And I will also place a link for this iPad holder if you guys wanted to order this one. I like this one because it kind of is light. It doesn't cover those. It also comes with longer legs in case you want to hold something bigger. For me, this is still, I'm only going to hold the iPad and it's still too long. But you guys can actually see it looks nice. Put the double-sided tape in there. I used the screws, all the set of screws that I was having there. I used the drill to do a small hole in there, and then the screws. It looks fine, huh? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in a 4Runner. It comes with some instructions. I also have a video how to attach this clip to it. So if you search for the ProClip for a 4Runner, you see how they have a video to attach this into the car. So I'm not gonna go over that, but this is the part that I want to show you guys how it goes in there, and then you can actually mount it. And I'm guys gonna show you the final product. You can actually see the video on the ProClip. They show you on the ProClip how to mount it. But basically, you put it on the edge in here, hold it in there, and then you press it down and push it at the same time so it clicks in there. One of the things that I want for my car is I don't want anything to have to drill holes. And this is the perfect fit for me because I don't have to drill in the hole or anything like that. But that's kind of how it looks. But now the only thing I need to do is attach it to it and adjust it the way I want, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so see, I already mounted the rack and everything. Here's my iPad. Let me go to the other side. You guys can actually see it. All right, so get it in. Kind of that's how it looks from my side, from the driver's side. Now what I want to do is, I was telling you guys this has a springs, so that's how I look. And here it is. That's how it looks. Oh, just for the cable, what I do for the cable is I'm gonna run the cable, but I don't want to run it through here to connect it there, so I'm just gonna run through here. It's gonna run through this side here. I want to put some cables to just do some cable management. It's gonna go underneath of the console, go in, and it's gonna come out right in there. So hope you guys like it. Put down some comments. Let me know what you guys think.